Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. See all the political signs here? Now this is the Franklinville United Methodist Church, and it's also the Deep River polling place. That's the name of it, the Deep River District. Now actually this is Friday. This past Monday, President's Day, which used to be George Washington's birthday, I voted. And I'm coming through here to show you that early voting is active. And I'm encouraging you to come out and vote. Do your civic duty. Those of you who are registered can prove that you are a legal resident and qualified to vote. Got it? Now these are the kind of primary elections. When I arrived, there was someone who offered to help me decide, but I said I'd already done my research. Do your research, know who you're going to vote for. You can get the ballot that's for you, your district, your party, online, no problem. Get out and vote. And don't say on voting Tuesday, oh, I'm too busy. You could do it now. Steve AB4L, just being patriotic, good citizen, saying see you at 73.